What's up and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly create a virtual environment through VS Code on a Windows machine. So the first thing that you need to do is to ensure that you've got a folder open on VS Code. In this case, I've got a folder called test project, which I have opened, and in it I've got a Python file. I'm not going to be using it though. So the first thing that we need to do, or the second thing rather, would be to open our terminal. We can click on this button. Alternatively, we can click on this icon over here. So let's just go with this icon to open the terminal. Okay, seems like our terminal was already open, but yeah, to open the terminal, you just click on this button and then there we go. So the command for creating a virtual environment is python -mvenv, and then the name of the virtual environment, we're just going to say venv, but this can be anything. The second venv can be anything because that's the name of the virtual environment, and I'm going to hit enter. So our virtual environment has been created. As we can see, we now have a folder titled venv over here that we didn't have before, but it's not yet really done. So let's give it a, there we go. So our virtual environment has been created. Now let me show you how to activate it. To activate it, it will be the name of the virtual environment, venv // and then script / again, then activate. Let's hit enter. So there we go. Our virtual environment has been activated. As we can see, we now have the virtual environment, the name rather of the virtual environment before the path, whereas we didn't have it here. That was before we activated our virtual environment. So that's how a virtual environment is created and activated. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, remember to like, share, and subscribe.